And this is the exact same formula that me and my students have been doing to get product videos that get over 1 million views. Before we get into the video, I want to announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls. It's here. Congratulations. If you guys want to go ahead and win $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me, drop a comment below, tag your IG, make sure you're following me so I could go ahead and DM you if you are the winner, and I'll be doing this at the beginning of tomorrow's video. Other than that, let's go straight into the video. As you can see, today I will be talking about how to make product videos. This is super important. No one really talks about or reveals how to make product videos, and that's probably one of the most important factors when it comes to succeeding in dropshipping, making a good product video. So one of the main questions everyone asks, what are good editing softwares? So I went ahead and put up a bunch of options, and I'm going to break each one of them down. First thing first, if you have a Mac, iMovie is awesome, and it's completely for free if you have a Mac. 2, if you're a Windows user, hit Film Express. Highly recommended. It's a free, really professional editing software. It's a bit complicated to use, but once you sort of watch tutorials, get used to it, it gets pretty easy. And it's completely for free, not to mention. Next option, Animoto. $5 to $30 a month, but it's highly efficient and really easy to use. That's why I recommend it. It's like hit Film Express, but really simplified, more clean, much easier to learn, but the downside is there's a monthly subscription. If you're a Mac user, Final Cut Pro, I highly recommend that. And if you're a Windows user, or even if you're Mac users, Adobe Premiere Pro, I also highly recommend. And those two softwares, if you get good at those, you would use those skills for literally anything in your future career, such as editing YouTube videos, doing more hardcore product video edits, etc. I definitely recommend Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro if you have the budget. If not, go with Animoto, iMovie, and hit Film Express. Those are cheap to free options I highly recommend if you don't have the budget. Another question a lot of people have been asking, so I'm basically answering the most asked questions that aren't usually answered. Where do you source your videos? So number one, a lot of top AliExpress products, even new AliExpress products, now have videos on their product pages. So that's where you can source the first video. 2, another option is YouTube. So I went ahead and just searched up Crouch USB quick charger, and there was a bunch of videos for that exact same product, and it's that simple. Now a lot of people ask, would you get sued or hit with copyright issues if you rip videos from YouTube? I'm going to reply that now. So 1, you don't want to use someone's face. That's going to encourage them to go ahead and sue you. 2, you don't want to use too much of someone's voice. So if it's like unbox therapy, maybe you could use like a small sentence, but you definitely don't want to use a whole 2-3 minute clip of him talking uncut, because that is sort of enticing for the owner to go ahead and report you for copyright if you just straight up ripped a whole 2-3 minute segment of them talking and explaining the product. So you definitely don't want to use too much of someone's voice. 3, you eventually want to move to buying the actual product and getting your own shots. So what I used to do was I used to ship it all the way to Australia and just take photos off my iPhone of the product and create my own footage, my own photo shoot. Eventually, as I got better and my time became more valuable, what I would do is I would go ahead and just order the item, ship it to my editor that could also do photography, and get him to get footage for me. And that also saved me a lot of time, and you know, he got to keep the item for free, so it's like a win-win situation. So that's sort of what you want to do as you get more experience. Now the next thing people are going to ask,
how do you go ahead and edit these videos? Like, what shots do you need?
So I'm going to explain the shots you need, and all you have to do is collect these shots and then put it together. So number 1, the effect of the product being used. That's highly important. You want to see that wow factor of, wow, like that's the product in use and that's amazing. So that's number 1. 2, you want to use before and after transitions. You don't want to do like side by side before and afters. You want to have before transitioning into after, because Facebook really hates it when you do side by side before after comparison shots. So I don't recommend that, but you could do transitions which have the same effect and will greatly sort of increase your conversion rate, because people do want to see the before and after, and that is sort of what gets them to purchase. 3, really underestimated, but animations. Having animations of your product is highly underrated, and a lot of the top products have animations of their products being used. It's like cartoon or tech made animations of the product in live action. 4, Another powerful thing that people don't usually do, and it's underrated, is lifestyle shots. Having shots of people, jogging up and down with blackhead masks, people laughing, smiling. Find lifestyle shots of that product, and that allows people to put themselves in the video and really see themselves using it, and as a result, going ahead and purchasing it. 5, what you want to do is you want to subtitle every video, just because a lot of people can't maybe understand English, they can only read English. Maybe some people, they're on the bus and they can't turn on their volume, so they can only read the subtitles. Subtitles is highly important because people just want to visually see the product, and listening is slowly drowning out, and like light background music is all they need, and they don't really want to be hearing someone talking. They want to be reading instead. Most people are visual nowadays. So I know it's really hard to add subtitles, but I'm going to give you guys a simple way. What you want to do is you just want to get these 4-second clips and just paste the subtitle for that clip and have it transition in using the softwares you use. So you would keep the same subtitle for every 4-second clip, and you'll probably have like 10 4-second clips, and then out of the 10 clips, probably 5 would have subtitles that are basically static and they stay there, and maybe there's a transition in where it fades in, and that's the simplest way to make subtitles. You don't want to like have it fly in, you don't want to time it, you just want to do it as simple as this. There's no need to make it complicated. The simpler it is, the better. And yeah, that's about it. That's how you go ahead and make a video for your e-commerce dropshipping products. And this is the exact same formula that me and my students have been doing to get product videos that get over 1 million views. So this is a proven formula, and I've just given it away to you guys completely for free, and it's a bunch of actionable tips, and that's sort of what I've been doing on this channel. Been giving you guys as much actionable tips as possible. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the value. If you guys have, be sure to drop a like below. That helps a lot. Don't forget to drop a comment below if you want to apply for the $1,000 worth of free courses or consulting calls. Be sure to drop your IG below, as well as make sure that you're following me so I can go ahead and send you a DM to let you claim your rewards. Last but not least, I'm trying to push 50,000 subscribers, so be sure to subscribe below, click the notification bell so you can get that edge on everyone as I'm dropping gold nuggets every single day. Share my channel, and let's grow this value-based community. I only want to be dropping value every single day. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.